Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Mahadi and our project name is automatic door opening system. For this project we have used Kale and Proteus, two apps. So if I start from Kale app, if I open the Kale app, I can show you. Here I already write the code and this is in C language, and this code will let me help to run my project. So here I can execute that, build that, then after that I can straight away open the Proteus app. Here I already put of my system inside this, and this is my whole project. This is my system. Here this is the sensor of the door, and this is the motor, and this is all the things here, UI and U2, everything here. And if I run the project and if I give sensor here, and you can see the motor is running anti-clockwise. That means the door is opening now, and it will move anti-clockwise. And after a certain amount of time the motor will stop. Motor becoming slow now, and motor becoming stopped, right? And it's moving clockwise now. That means the door will be closed now. Like this it will move, and if I give again, then it will start again. Like this it will work by vice versa. And thank you. This is all from my project. Assalamualaikum.